What's going on, y'all? It's your boy DJ Wayne. I'm trying to come with a tutorial for OBS and put down some sounds, some tracks, and doing something. I've been in music for a hot minute, and this little stuff right here, it got me puzzled. And the reason why it got me puzzled because I can run my vocals, you know, through my M Audio 2x2. I ain't got a problem with it. I can run my drum machine through, no problem. My keyboards, all of that there. But when I come to OBS and I try to record it, I don't get nothing. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick sample of what I'm talking about, and maybe y'all can help me out with this here. I'm gonna go through everything. All right. Now that's coming through the mic. 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 Okay, that's coming through the mic. So I'm gonna go through all this here real quick. And my preference on this here, I'm running everything out through my interface, which is M-Track Audio 2x2. And it's working, cause look. So I got sound coming through that, so that ain't the problem on that end. I'm gonna go to my preference here. I'm thinking that's correct because I'm getting all my sounds. So, okay, my output is M-Track. My input is M-Track, as you can tell, is working now. So I'm not figuring out why it's not working on here. So desktop audio is not doing nothing. You go to settings, come back to audio, right there. I even put it in Sunflower. Right here, that's it. I'm opening it up so you can see my options on this one. That's the only options I got on that. Go down to here. USB unknown and the same deals, but I have no everything that I done clicked on hasn't been working. So if y'all can help me out, I really would appreciate it. But this is the track here. You can see it's working. You can see it's working. It's playing. So you can see it's playing. So it ain't like it ain't playing. I ain't got no sound. But that's what it is, y'all. If y'all can help me out, I really would appreciate it. Comment down below. Let me know. I appreciate it. Thank y'all.